Sweet 16.
And I believe it is your first time, tama ba? Anong feeling ng first time, Ruby?
It's so nervous and I cannot explain. There's so many emotions that I can release.
Wow. So
Yes,
many
syempre ang
emotions.
bawat first time ay hindi mo kakalimutan, di ba? And right now, willing ka rin ang word mo? And your word is?
AIDS.
AIDS. Judges,
AIDS.
her word is AIDS or AIDS, Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. Okay? Judges, candidate number 14, Miss Angelica Panganiban.
Miss Ruby.
For me in AIDS, there's two kinds of thing. HIV and AIDS. If there's homosexuality and prostitution, they can get AIDS. That's all.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica Panganiban.
Thank you very much. Very well said. And now,
That completes our
yes. So right now, habang tinatabulate muna ng ating mga judges, then ng ating mga tabulator yung ating result,